Hi everyone, my name is G. Uma Devi. Today I am going to present my project NeedBot. NeedBot is an AI-powered chatbot developed using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Python Flask. It provides real-time responses to users to connecting with an AI models using a secure API key. My project also provides features like new chart, chart history, search history, rename chart, delete chart, and dark mode, and also different personas. Now I will explain the project. My project has two main parts, front end and back end. Front end is used to design the chatbot and interact with the users. And back end processes users' requests, communicates with the AI models, saves chart history, and sends the responses back to the front end. Now I will explain front end code. This line connects the CSS files to the HTML pages. And this creates the sidebar where all conversations and options are displayed. This dropdown allows users to select different personas like general assistant, teacher, coder, interviewer, and also career mentor. And also this is the area where all chat messages are displayed. This is the input field where users type their questions. This is button sends the user's message. Now I would like to explain CSS code. This styles the entire web pages, and sidebar is used to design the sidebar like background, like background filters, backdrop filters, border right, like that. And chartbar styles the chart area and also users messages. This styles the users messages like conversations like that. And bot messages styles the AI messages. And body dark. This changes the application into dark mode like white and black. And also delete also there. We can delete the previous charts. And next, JavaScript. JavaScript adds functionalities to our chatbot. It handles like sending messages, receiving AI responses, loading chart history, search history, rename chart, delete chart like that. This line connects JavaScript to the send button, and this line main function is to send the user's messages to the backend and also fetch chart. This sends the user's messages to the Flask to the backend and also load history. This loads all previous charts And display history, this displays the all saved charts. Now backend. Backend is developed using Python Flask and the main file is app.py. The backend receives the user's request, communicates with the AI models, and saves conversations and returns the AI responses. And this line creates the Flask application. And this is mainly loads the API key from the env file. Here is the env file. And also API key securely reads the API key. This and load history. Load history function loads previous conversations and also save history. Save history saves the new conversations. This route opens the home page. This route opens the history. And this is used to delete the history. Here I am using app.run. This starts the Flask server. And API key I am using Open Router. The API key connects our chatbot with the AI models. I said previously, chart history also there. Every conversation is stored in a JSON files. Users can view previous charts, continue conversations, delete charts, and also copy the chart also. So now I would like to show my output. This is the output. So now I'm searching, sorry, I'm typing what is HTML. Bot replies. So here copy option also there. And this is the personas I said previously. General assistant, teacher, coder, and also interviewer. Now I select interview option. Uh, I'm typing Java interview questions. So see here, bot replies Java interview questions. And we take new chart also. Search chart. What is HTML? Okay, I deleted all conversations. And also I'm searching who is the father of nation. Next, what is Python? These charts are all saved here, like history. What is JavaScript? Here we are search our conversations. So here we search our charts. What is Java? It shows this. So conclusion, I would like to say it provides real-time responses and includes useful features like chart history, persona search. This is my project helped us understand front-end development, back-end development, and also API integrations and AI-powered web applications. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.